Our latest RV project didn't have a dinette. You can either purchase one online for like $300, or what I think is a better solution is building your own. This one came in at a little under $150, and I think it looks great, and it's super simple to build. The first thing you're going to want to do is get the measurements of your table, and obviously you will take the measurements from these brackets. So if you want to make your dinette into a bed, you'll want it from here to here, and then obviously your length will be from the wall to just about even with the end of the dinette. So that's the first thing you do, get your length and width, and then we'll go cut the wood. I've built a couple tables before, and there's a couple ways you can do it. This way is a little bit more expensive to do, but it's a little easier. So what I have here is I've got like a furniture grade piece of plywood. This is birch. I've got the measurements that I need to do, and what I'll do is I'll cut this out, and then I need the thickness to be this wide for the way it sits in the benches. So I'm going to have to add this to the outside of the table, and this is just a little bit higher end pine 1x2s. So first thing I will do is I will cut this out, and then I'll cut these out and put it on around the sides. Now for this, the table needs to be 28¼ inches wide by 40½ inches long. Because of this pine, I need to subtract 1½ inches because of the width here. So 26½. So I needed 26¾ . And just to get the reference, and then what I'm going to do is I'm putting tape out because I'm hoping it'll help with easing the splintering. that. So the inside of the table's cut. Now I'm going to cut the outside of the table. I'm going to do this as I'm cutting 45s on here, and then I will do that for all 4 sides. Now I'm putting the glue along this edge, and then I'm going to put some nails in it to keep it from moving. This is how the table is going to look. Now I'm just going to sand it to smooth out the edges, and once the sanding's done, we will stain it. The table is now all sanded and it's ready to get a stain. We chose for this table to go with a Minwax Special Walnut. That's the name of the color for the stain. I'm gonna put a coat of stain on her. See how that comes out. My hands are gonna get a little girly when I put this on, but
You can do it if you want.
I don't know. Do you trust me?
I don't know, but I feel like the temperature dropped in really cold. What does it say? The lowest you can do for that? I thought it was 50
Brush a
degrees.
rag, apply in direction of grain, wipe off after 5 to 15 minutes. So the coat of stain is dried. Now I'm going to add probably 2 coats of this polyacrylic clear satin. Put it on with a sponge brush, and then the table should be completed. Why are you giving me those looks?
Because you're not going to like it, and the table will be completed. You
That's
don't
how I
sound
talk.
Like you. No, it's not.
That's how I talk. No, it's not. I don't even talk like this. That's
You talk like that.
I know I talk like this. So we're going to put 2 coats of polyacrylic clear satin top coat. Trying to do this quickly. This is dried for about 2 hours. Now I'm going to take some 220 grit, sand it, and then apply a second coat. So we finished putting the second coat of polyurethane on this table, and if you wanted, you could probably go for a third coat. We're going to stick with 2 coats. It came out really nice. So let's go install it and see how it looks. Hey, one note I have, I didn't do different stains, I just did the one stain. It's just, it goes light, dark, light, dark. That's just the way the grain of the wood took the stain. I actually think it came out great. And let me know in the comments below what you think. It's raining out, and thanks for watching, I appreciate it.